In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project costs in CostMiner. Let's dive right into the process so you can better manage your financial resources and ensure your projects remain on budget. First, you'll want to head over to the CostMiner website. It's an intuitive platform designed specifically for construction estimating and takeoff, which makes tracking your project costs much easier. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the CostMiner application. You can find it by searching CostMiner in your search bar or directly typing in the URL if you have it saved. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to log in. You'll usually find this at the top right of the page. Click on Log in to CostMiner and enter your credentials if you haven't already logged in. It's important to have everything set up beforehand, like your username and password, to make this process as smooth as possible. After successfully logging in, you should see a list of your ongoing and completed projects. Click on the project you want to track the costs for. This will take you to the project dashboard where you can view and manage all project details. If you need to, spend a little time getting familiar with the layout. It's always a good idea to be comfortable with the environment you're working in. Here's the next step. Once you've completed the takeoff process for your project, you'll be ready to generate a report. This is a crucial part of cost management as it allows you to see how your costs are structured and potentially identify any areas where you could optimize. To create the report, go back to your project dashboard. This will serve as your main command center, and from here you can access various project functionalities. Look for the Reports option and click on it. This feature is essential for getting an overview of your project costs. Next, you'll want to click on Rate Breakdown. Doing this will bring up a detailed breakdown of your costs per item. This breakdown is invaluable for setting priorities and making informed decisions about your resources and spending. Finally, if you need a physical copy or want to analyze the data offline, you'll be glad to know you can export this report. Click on the Export option and choose your preferred format, whether it's a PDF, Excel sheet, or any other supported file type. Exporting this data allows you to share the report with stakeholders or keep it for your records. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough of tracking project costs in CostMiner, from login to exporting your data. This tool is designed to simplify the financial aspects of construction projects so that you can focus more on other critical areas of management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.